Hello friends, welcome back to your channel famsia.com with a new subject, Mind Energizing Tips for Travel Fraternity by Coach Manpreet Kaur. Let us welcome Coach Manpreet Kaur on this platform today. Welcome Manpreet Kaur ji.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you for having me here.
Okay, so let me just take this pleasure to introduce her on this platform. She is a self-made businesswoman turned mind energizer. She is the founder of the International Mind Energizer Academy. She is a certified spiritual healer, NLP coach, motivational speaker, entrepreneur, and upcoming author. She helps people change their thoughts, mindset, and perspective towards their life by educating them about the powers of mind. She turned her passion into her profession soon after she realized there are many people who are suffering due to the lack of this profound knowledge. Now, professionally, she helps people create more harmony and happiness in life while increasing their income and wealth by using the powers of mind. She has clients not only from India but also from abroad who learn through her online self-study courses, personal counseling sessions, and live workshops. So, with this, we welcome once again Coach Manpreet Kaur on our channel. So Manpreet Kaur ji, how are you doing till now?
I am doing great, and thank you for the wonderful introduction. And
Okay,
it's a warm hello from me to all the fraternity who's watching us right now.
okay, all right. So let us move further for the question of the day. So our first question we can start with: why do you think travel agents who are self-made entrepreneurs and professionals who are working into this industry, be it travel or the hotel industry, should know about mind powers and spiritual practices?
Yes, that's a very nice question. And in fact, I would like to say that especially the people in the travel industry, hospitality industry, unfortunately have been hit badly by coronavirus. And
Exactly.
they are really struggling a lot right now. Everybody knows that. So,
Yeah.
especially the fraternity, along with other businessmen and entrepreneurs, they should know about the powers of the mind. And why is that? Because many people don't know that money or wealth is actually a spiritual game. It is not what we are seeing externally. क्योंकि अभी circumstances खराब है, बाहर कोरोना की वजह से problem है. But that does not mean that your wealth and prosperity should be hampered.
Right.
If you go in the internal world, you will find out that actually it is your mind which is helping you attract money or either repel money. And
Okay.
that is where we come in. We educate how our mind is doing that. तो अगर बाहर circumstances खराब भी हो तो भी wealth आप attract कर सकते हैं just by aligning with the energy of money. For example अगर मैं आपको बताऊं, जैक मा के बारे में तो बहुत लोगों ने सुना होगा,
Right.
Alibaba fame. He
Right.
started off and he didn't have anything in life, no resources, no education, no skills, nothing. External world में कुछ नहीं था उसके पास. But today he is a self-made billionaire and one of the richest persons in the world. तो ये कैसे हुआ? Just by the conscious use of this mind and the powers of the mind. So that is what I tell all businessmen to do. Use your internal game properly, and externally you'll have plenty of wealth and prosperity, no matter what the circumstances.
Okay. So, but it starts from the scratch because if we talk about Jack Ma and all that people who are now billionaire, they have started from the scratch. But now is a situation, for the travel entrepreneurs who have already started, 10 years, 20 years back, 5 years back. Now they are on one level. So now it's starting again from the scratch is, going to be a challenge, number one. Second is like they have seen the already because this is our season, April, May, June is a season for the travel fraternity in which hotels and travel agents, their 60% of their business come into these 3 months. So now how the powers of mind are going to help them in this recession so that they should not go into this depression stage.
Right. That is a very valid question in today's time, Gurmukh. And what I would say is by learning the powers of the mind, it helps in two ways, both
Okay.
personally as well as professionally. Since we are on a professional platform, मैं personal में बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं चाहूँगी, but मैं सिर्फ एक बात ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगी कि it can turn your life 360 degrees around. And जो stress, जो anxiety, जो depression से लोग गुजर रहे हैं इस वक्त, because of corona, not only this industry, everywhere around the world, what people are going through, if they learn about these things, they will become more peaceful, they will become more calm. As मैंने पहले भी बोला, external situations हमें फर्क नहीं डालती हैं if you are inclined towards your mind and you know how it is working. So personally, so it can really help you calm down in this situation, first of all, and professionally, how it can help. There are unlimited ways in how it can help, but I'll just tell a few of them right now. Number one, how would it be if अगर आप attract कर सको high quality, high paying clients for your industry? Wouldn't that be wonderful? Secondly, how would it feel if you could get opportunities coming on your lap without doing anything?
Okay.
Thirdly, creating this beautiful growth and success environment in your organization.
Okay.
How to handle customers, how to create that rapport between your clients or between your employees or between your colleagues.
Okay.
All these things come naturally when you're aligned and your conscious mind and your subconscious mind are working in harmony. Along with that, as we are saying, many people are in this industry since such a long time, right? That is true. Yes, we can start working on it right now. But what about the future? It really helps us to envision new ideas through which we can actually earn more money.
Okay.
Money itself is nothing. I hope you agree with that. And
Exactly.
it, in fact, is the ideas which generate money. Only the ideas have the capability of bringing in millions and billions, right? So
Okay.
getting those visionary ideas, turning those ideas into strategies, and most important, getting the confidence to actually implement those ideas. All these things can easily happen if you're tuned into the powers of your mind.
Okay. So I think that can help us to survive in this time and help us on daily basis in running our businesses or organizations. Is it?
Right. Definitely. And if you do it, it becomes a way of living. You don't have to, especially be studying and like thinking, how can I apply it? It becomes a way of living. You are able to correct your mindset each and every time so that you can bring out the best results in your organization and create new, ventures for the future.
All right. So thank you so much for sharing such knowledge. Now we'll move further for our next question, which is when would be the best time you feel like we should learn these profound tools?
Okay, that's wonderful. I always say one thing. The
Okay.
past has gone, the future
Right.
hasn't arrived.
Right.
All our strength lies in the present moment. So
Okay.
this moment, everyone should capture it. And especially since the businesses are, really going down and unemployment is increasing throughout the world, we can use this time which is in our hands, and start working on our own skills. Because as they say, the value which you're giving out to the world through your skills, that will attract back a lot more money and prosperity to you. So it all begins with you. How much are you investing in your own self? That is first and foremost most necessary. And here I would like to really highlight and tell you that the most successful people in the world are actually using these techniques and are growing, tremendously. And actually they're telling the people that this is the way to live. For example, like Oprah Winfrey, you must have heard of her, that American black lady. And
Right.
she has the biggest organization, this studios, Harpo Studios and all. And what does she do? before she begins the day, all our employees are made to sit down and meditate for at least 10 to 15 minutes. It's a part of their work culture.
Okay.
So right now is the time we should understand, for us it is necessary, but along with us, जो हमारे employees हैं हमारी organization में, they are also going through a lot.
Right.
So we can join hands, work on ourselves, help them also, uplift from this mental state of lack and poverty which is coming right now, and we can work together for a better future.
Okay. So thank you so much for sharing such knowledge. So lastly, we'll ask only one question. Like, which one book do you recommend for our fraternities they should read once in their lifetime? If you can
Oh,
share
hands
some
down,
thoughts. Yes, yes.
hands down, Gurmukh ji, I think it should be Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. It is
Okay.
the number one self-help book which has created a lot of millionaires till date. And
Okay.
that book will really change your perspective towards life in general and help
Okay.
you, actually rewire your brain so that you can attract more success, more happiness, more wealth into your life. So
Okay.
I would recommend everyone read this book and make it a way of living as soon as you can, and you will
Yeah.
see how your life turns around for the best.
Yeah, I think it is available on the Amazon store also today online. Yeah.
Available everywhere.
So all right, with this, because we are having short time today. So with this, we'll take the end note, and we thank you once again, Coach Manpreet Kaur, to you, who has given us your valuable time today to give your thoughts, share your thoughts, understanding towards our fraternity. And to our fraternity, I'll also request you to go on her YouTube channel, on her Facebook page, and check her thoughts in details. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है तो आप इनके YouTube चैनल पे जाइए, इनके Facebook पेज पे जाइए, डिस्क्रिप्शन में हम आपके साथ लिंक शेयर कर लेंगे, और आप देखिए और अपने आप को एक चेंज कीजिए towards a new direction. I think that is going to help us in this hard times. So with this, thank you so much, and keep watching this channel. Stay tuned.